In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Solana from MEXC to Phantom Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any amount of crypto, including Solana, from your MEXC wallet to Phantom Wallet. You can do this by either using the mobile app or their website, and I recommend starting this on MEXC first. So on MEXC, go over to your wallet. If you are on the website, you just have to click over here at the top right corner of the screen and then select the option to withdraw. Now, you will be able to input all of the details. On the crypto asset, make sure that you choose Solana. And then the important part is on the address. This is the address from Phantom Wallet. If you don't know how to acquire this address, I am going to teach you, but if you already have it, you simply paste it here. You choose the network, the default one should be good to go, and you will be able to enter the amount. So if you need to acquire the wallet address, to do this, I recommend using their mobile app. Open the Phantom Wallet mobile app, and then you can either tap on Solana, or alternatively, if you see the receive option directly on the home screen, you can use this instead, whatever you prefer. Once you choose Solana and then receive, you will see the copy button. So copy the wallet address to receive your Solana specifically, and go back into the withdraw option here on MEXC, and you will be able to paste the wallet address that you copied. There is no secret. I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was set up properly, and once you confirm that the wallet address is good to go and everything is working alongside the network, you will be able to send the rest and receive your Solana directly on Phantom Wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Solana from MEXC to Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.